Good thing we got the rain guard, the bug guards, and the rain guards on the Jeep today, because it is now starting to rain, and it is a big, severe thunderstorm warning here in Maine.
He probably wants to come in.
So, go open the door. Big storm that's hitting here in Maine. Severe thunderstorm warning. Well, we got a whole bunch of the stuff done outside that we needed to get done today, which is a good thing. So there's the thunder. Gonna test out the plastic on the sunroof with the Jeep. Here it comes.